Assalamu alaikum. Each prayer has its own period of time within which it needs to be performed. For example, Fajr, the dawn prayer, the one at the top, it starts at 1:58 a.m. in the morning, and then it lasts till 4:22 a.m., slightly more than 2 hours. It's a good period of time, a good window within which we can pray it. How exactly these prayer times are calculated? We can enter the corresponding menu and then proceed to the article. This article describes, this table states when each prayer starts and when it ends. There are also forbidden times during which we don't pray. These are 3 short periods: during the sunrise, during the sunset, and when the sun is at its peak. These are the times when sun worshippers worship, so to distance ourselves from those who worship creation, we don't perform prayer during that time. Other times are fair game. We can perform non-obligatory prayer anytime, and the obligatory prayers each of them have a window. So let's have a look at this prayer dial that shows us how the prayer times are distributed during the day. So the first prayer is Fajr, right? It starts when the sun is still under horizon, but already the light from the sun becomes visible, starts appearing. So this is called Fajr, dawn prayer. And dawn prayer lasts until the sunrise begins. As soon as the disk of the sun has appeared on the horizon, that's it. The Fajr prayer has ended and the sunrise has begun. So this prohibited time marked with red, it ends when the sun has fully risen. And then we have a good first half of the day to do other things. There are no obligatory prayers. There is a sunnah prayer called duha in there. Then this short period of zenith, when the sun is at its highest point, as soon as it passes, Dhuhr has begun. Dhuhr is early afternoon prayer, so we just pass the noon, we can pray Dhuhr. And it lasts until the shadow is long enough. So there are 2 opinions. What does long enough mean? One of them is that shadow needs to be equal in length to the object itself. So, and according to this opinion, when the shadow length reaches the object length, this is when Asr has begun. And Asr continues until sunset. As you can see, marked with pink, there is dislike time. It's disliked to delay Asr that much. So don't delay it till this moment. Try to pray it during this period. It's also quite a big window. And then after the sun has fully set, Maghrib, the sunset prayer has begun. It lasts until the twilight fully disappears. When twilight has disappeared, Aisha prayer begins. And it lasts until Fajr. So as you can see, each prayer seamlessly transitions into another prayer. The only exception is that after Fajr, there is this half of the day where we can do our other things and there is no obligatory prayer. One thing that should be noted is that right now we're in the summer, so most of this oval trajectory is above the horizon. In winter, the proportion will differ, so the night will be longer than the day. And Aisha will be very long, whereas Dhuhr and Asr will be relatively short. And of course, exact prayer time depends on your locality. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.